Welcome to the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, eager to share today's top business stories with you. NewsRamp.com selects the latest news from leading sources, ensuring you get the most pertinent information. A quick reminder, this podcast is created with the help of AI and AI voices, but the stories we cover are entirely real. You can find the full news articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Thursday evening, June 5th, 2025, and we've curated an intriguing lineup of health, fitness, and wellness news for you today. So whether you're in transit, at the gym, or at home, join us as we begin. Starting off with our first headline. Tiny Gems breaks. Calidi Biotherapeutics Inc., NYSE American, CI, unveils promising data on CLD-401 at ASCO 2025. Calidi Biotherapeutics Inc. unveiled promising new data on its lead red tail platform candidate, CLD-401, at the American Society of Clinical Oncology annual meeting. The company has demonstrated pioneering efforts in developing an enveloped form of its proprietary oncolytic virus, significantly more resistant to immune clearance. New data presented at the meeting show a genetic modification incorporating a chimeric CD55 receptor into the envelope, enhancing the virus's resistance to rapid clearance by the immune system. Calidi Biotherapeutics is a clinical-stage immuno-oncology company focused on developing targeted immunotherapies with the red tail platform, designed for systemic delivery and targeting of metastatic sites. For more information, visit Calidi Biotherapeutics website.
NFL's Falcons mark CPR Week with hands-only CPR and AED training. The Atlanta Falcons partnered with the American Heart Association to provide CPR and AED training during National CPR and AED Week. Nearly 9 out of 10 people who experience cardiac arrest outside of a hospital die, emphasizing the importance of immediate CPR. Head coach Raheem Morris, a CPR SAVE recipient, champions bystander CPR education. The American Heart Association aims to double cardiac arrest survival rates by 2030. Compression-only CPR or hands-only CPR is effective and easy to learn. The NFL's Smart Heart Sports Coalition advocates for evidence-based policies to prevent fatal outcomes from cardiac arrest among high school students. To learn how to save a life, visit heart.org/hands-only-CPR. Biomed News breaks. Annovis Bio Inc., NYSE ANVS, to host webcast with CEO to share updates on Alzheimer's and Parkinson's programs. Annovis Bio Inc., listed on the NYSE under the ticker ANVS, will be hosting a live webcast on June 24, 2025 at 4:30 p.m. EDT. The webcast will feature President and CEO Maria Maccecchini, Ph.D., providing updates on the company's Phase 3 trial for early Alzheimer's disease, recent FDA feedback on its Parkinson's disease program, and other key initiatives. Shareholders, patients, and stakeholders are invited to participate in a live Q&A session following a brief presentation. Annovis Bio, headquartered in Malvern, Pennsylvania, is focused on developing therapies for neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. For more information, visit www.annovisbio.com. Biomed News breaks. Scinai Immunotherapeutics Nasdaq SCNI receives Italian clearance for option to acquire biotech firm Pincell. Scinai Immunotherapeutics Ltd, listed on Nasdaq under the ticker symbol SCNI, has received regulatory clearance in Italy to move forward with its option to acquire 100% of Pincell SRL, an Italian biotech company. This approval, granted by Italy's Coordination Group and Ministry of Health, aligns with Scinai's strategy to expand its inflammation and immunology pipeline. Pincell's lead asset, PC111, a monoclonal antibody targeting the FAS-FASL pathway, has orphan drug designation in pemphigus and is being developed for severe skin disorders. The acquisition is pending final conditions, including a €12 million grant decision expected this summer.
Therapeutic target shows promise in preventing cancer resulting from chronic gut inflammation. Chronic gut inflammation can lead to complications like bowel cancer, especially in young people with Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis. Early diagnosis and treatment are crucial, but chronic inflammation is challenging to treat due to multiple factors at play. Research efforts by Sologenics Inc. are underway to uncover the mechanisms involved. BioMedWire focuses on the latest developments in biotechnology, biomedical sciences, and life sciences sectors, providing access to a vast network of wire solutions for reaching diverse industries and demographics. For more information, visit biomedwire.com.
Biomed News Breaks. CNS Pharmaceuticals Inc. NASDAQ CNSP to present promising glioblastoma data at Brain Tumor Biotech Summit. CNS Pharmaceuticals Inc. will present promising glioblastoma data at the Brain Tumor Biotech Summit on June 5, 2025. Chief Medical Officer Sandra Silberman, MD, PhD, will discuss the potential of TPI-287, CNS's brain-penetrating taxane candidate, which has shown efficacy in glioblastoma patients. TPI-287, with FDA orphan drug designation, may offer a breakthrough in treating CNS tumors by crossing the blood-brain barrier. For more information about CNS Pharmaceuticals, visit cnspharma.com. Nutriband Inc., NASDAQ NTRB, advances abuse-deterrent buprenorphine therapy with Aversa technology. Nutriband Inc., listed on NASDAQ as NTRB, is making strides in advancing abuse-deterrent buprenorphine therapy with its Aversa technology. The company is developing a transdermal delivery system for buprenorphine expected to generate annual sales of $70 million to $130 million. With the opioid epidemic still a major public health crisis, Nutriband aims to revolutionize opioid-based treatments by utilizing its Aversa technology for safer administration and protection against misuse. Buprenorphine, approved by the FDA to treat opioid use disorder, is the next focus for Aversa, offering a safer alternative to full opioid agonists. To stay updated on NTRB news, investors can visit the company's newsroom online. Investor News Breaks. Telomir Pharmaceuticals, NASDAQ Co., reports preclinical breakthrough in age reversal model with Telomir 1. Telomir Pharmaceuticals, trading on the NASDAQ under the symbol TELO, has reported a significant breakthrough in age reversal research. Their lead candidate, Telomir 1, has shown promising results in a zebrafish model of Werner syndrome, a condition that accelerates aging. The compound extended telomere length by threefold, restored muscle mass and body weight, reduced oxidative stress, and reversed age-related DNA methylation loss. CEO Erez Aminov hailed these findings as a potential milestone in aging science, underscoring the company's dedication to advancing Telomir 1 towards human clinical trials. Telomir Pharmaceuticals aims to lead in longevity science for humans and animals, with a focus on developing Telomir 1 to promote longevity and enhance quality of life. For more information, visit Telomir Pharmaceuticals' website at telodx.com.
Joseph D'Amatos' Triple Latte Leadership Series hosts Pulse Medical CEO Nino Asani. Nino Asani, founder and CEO of Pulse Medical Transportation, immigrated to the U.S. in 1985 and built a successful career in the medical transportation industry. Under his leadership, the company experienced significant growth, expanding its fleet and team. Asani's commitment to service excellence led to strategic partnerships and expansion into Maryland. He emphasizes client trust and satisfaction as key metrics for success. Authenticity, innovation, and a focus on culture and purpose are essential for attracting and retaining top talent. By prioritizing quality and long-term value creation, Pulse Medical Transportation benefits clients, employees, and the business. Asani's leadership journey was influenced by a mentor who taught him the importance of listening before leading. Emotional intelligence is the most critical leadership skill, especially in high-stress situations. Pulse Medical Transportation, founded in 2008, has become a leading force in healthcare, delivering essential medical transportation services across the region.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.